Hello everyone. In previous video we have discussed about the Faraday's law. In this video we will discuss about the numerical based on the Faraday's law. Actually variety of numerical can be asked from the Faraday's law, such as the amount of substance deposited, number of electron exchange, number of amount deposited at a particular electrode, number of moles of electron change, amount of charge required. Because this concept is based on the mole concept, as mole concept has a variety of aspects, this concept has also a variety of aspects. So different type of numericals are there. Actually student get confused and find this concept as a tedious concept, but actually this is not a tedious concept. This is very easy concept. Let us learn numerical with me. Okay. First type of numerical are how much coulombs are required to deposit to convert directly लिख लो, to convert 1 mole of aluminium 3 positive to Al, 1 mole है ये भी, and 1 mole of Mn4 negative to 1 mole Mn2 positive. Now how this type of question can be solved? This is very easy. How? Let us see. You will have to check the oxidation state in this question. You will have to check the oxidation state in this question. First is Al3 positive to aluminium. Al3 positive to aluminium. Aluminium is already showing the +3 oxidation state. Here the oxidation state of aluminium is +3, and here the oxidation state of aluminium is 0. Here the oxidation state of aluminium is 0. Okay, this is 1 mole. This is 1 mole. This is 1 mole. Okay, if anybody do not know how is the oxidation state 0, any element in their element is known to exhibit the 0 oxidation state. Is known to exhibit the 0 oxidation state. Now this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole. Okay, if this is 1 atom, this is 1 atom. If this is 1 mole, then this is also 1 mole. Okay, if 1 atom is exchanging 3 electron, then 1 mole will exchange 3 mole of electron. This is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, and how many electrons are needed to convert into it? 3 moles of electron, because this is in the +3 oxidation state. How many moles of electrons are less from the aluminium? 3 moles of electrons are less. 3 moles of electrons are less. So from this way, what we can conclude? We can conclude 3 mole of electrons are required to deposit 3 mole of electron are required to deposit 1 mole of Al. 1 mole of Al. 3 mole of electron means 1 mole of electron has 1 Faraday charge. 1 Faraday charge, that is equal to 96500 coulomb. 1 Faraday charge is equal to 96500 coulomb. Then 3 mole of electron has 3 Faraday charge, means 3 into 96500 coulomb. I think this is the simplest one. This is the simplest one. 3 mole of electron, 1 mole of electron, 1 Faraday. 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. We have discussed about this yesterday in the previous lecture. Okay. 3 mole of electron means 3 Faraday. 3 Faraday means 3 into 96500 coulomb. Now the various question that can be asked from the this single question is what? Okay. Sir, how can we calculate the number of Faradays required? This is the number of charge required, but number of Faradays required. If you are asked to solve the number of Faradays required, you can simply write the 3 Faradays required. If you are asked to solve the number of moles of electron required, number of moles of electrons are the 3 moles of electron. Number of moles of electron are the 3 moles of electron. If anybody says you calculate the number of electron required, and you people write 3. You people write 3. Number of moles of electrons are 3, but number of electron, 1 mole has how many electron? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 3. So 3 mole of electron has 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 electrons. How many electrons? 3 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 20. From a simple question, you can be asked a lot of question. You can be asked a lot of question. Okay, it's second example that I have written before. That is how to convert Mn4 negative to Mn2 positive. Now manganese here in the +2 oxidation state, calculate the oxidation state of manganese over here. ठीक है, oxidation state of manganese we will have to calculate. Suppose the oxidation state of manganese is X. Oxygen we know in combined form exhibit the -2 oxidation state. Which oxidation state beta? -2 oxidation state. Then 4 into -2. 4. Why 4? There are 4 in total oxygen, and we will have to write the sign of the charge on the other side. Now x minus 8 is equal to -1, x is equal to +7, x is equal to +7. That's why manganese is in the +7 oxidation state. Which oxidation state? +7 oxidation state. If manganese is in the +7 oxidation state, here how many moles of electrons are exchanging? 5 moles of electrons are exchanged. How many electron? 5 moles of electrons are exchanged. 5 electron nahi beta, 5 moles of electrons are exchanged. 5 moles of electron are exchanged means 5 Faraday of 5 Faradays of charge is required. Exchange means are required लिख सकते हो particularly, ठीक है. There is only simply reduction are required, ठीक है. 5 Faraday charge is required. How much charge is required? 5 Faraday charge is required, ठीक है. And if you want to convert 5 Faraday into the coulomb, because question is given in coulomb, 5 into 96500 coulomb. How much coulomb beta? 5 into 96500 coulomb. I think there is no much difficult question or tedious question, but aspects are different. Second type of question that can be asked from this type of numerical is a solution of copper sulfate is electrolyzed for 10 minutes and 1.5 ampere current is passed. 1.5 ampere current is passed. Calculate the amount of copper deposited at cathode during this process. You'll have to do nothing. This is very simple question. Statement is slight much big, but this is very simple question. First, you are supplying 1.5 ampere of the current. You are supplying 1.5 ampere of the current, and you are supplying electricity or current for the 10 minutes. Current for the 10 minutes. What I am asking you from, how can you calculate the charge or electricity from this data? How many coulombs are you supplying? How many coulombs are you supplying? How many coulomb are you supplying? I am asking from you, ठीक है. Number of electricity passed या amount of electricity passed, amount of electricity passed, electricity passed is equal to current into time, is equal to current into time. I am passing current for a 10 minutes, but as per the SI convention I will have to take the time in the seconds. I will have to take the time in seconds. Current 1.5 ampere, time 10 into second. To convert into second, I am converting, multiplying it with 60. Multiplying it with 60. 60 into 10, 100. 100 into 1.5, 60 into 10, 600. 600 into 15, 9,000. 1 point to 900 coulomb. क्या बेटा? 900 coulomb. This is the amount of electricity that I am giving. Getting what I am saying beta? This is the amount of electricity that I am giving. That I am giving. Again I am saying to you beta, this is the amount of electricity that I am giving. That I am giving. Now standard conditions, keep it in a mind. This is other aspect we will discuss later on. 900 coulomb is I am giving, but if you are provided with the 1 mole of copper sulfate, take the simple case, that is the 1 mole copper sulfate. 1 mole copper sulfate give copper 2 positive ion, that will be 1 mole. That will be 1 mole. Mean to convert into copper, how many moles of electrons are required? How many moles of electrons are required? 2 moles. हाउ मैनी मोल्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर रिक्वायर्ड बेटा 2 moles. Now 1 mole require 2 mole of electron to convert into the neutral form. To convert into the neutral form means if you want to deposit copper on the cathode, this will deposit it on cathode because it contains positive charge, and in the electrolytic cell cathode contain the negative charge because it will be attracted toward the cathode. It will be attracted toward the cathode. Now 2 moles of electrons are required to deposit 1 mole. To deposit 1 mole, what I have to calculate is the amount of copper electrode when 900 coulomb is I am giving, but what I am given in this condition is, ठीक है, if copper 2 positive 1 mole copper 2 positive require 2 Faraday to deposit 1 mole copper. If 1 mole copper is to be deposited, I need 2 Faraday charge. I need 2 Faraday electricity or charge. But if 1 mole is to be deposited, I need 2 Faraday charge. How much charge beta? 2 Faraday charge means 2 into 96500 coulomb charge will deposit 1 mole of copper. Will deposit 1 mole of copper. 2 into 96500 coulomb will deposit 1 mole of copper, but I am not providing the 2 into 96500 coulomb. This is the standard. ये तो है ही है. अगर आप इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास कर दोगे ना बेटा, ये डिपॉजिट होगा, इतना अमाउंट डिपॉजिट होगा, यानी कि 2 into 96500 coulomb. ठीक है, अगर इसको कॉपर का अपन बात करें एटॉमिक मास की, इसके मोलर जो है 1 मोल एटॉमिक मास की, ठीक है, तो क्या निकल के आएगा बेटा? वो 63.5 ग्राम. कितना आएगा बेटा? 63.5 ग्राम. कितना आएगा? 63.5 ग्राम. नाउ ठीक है, ये 63.5 ग्राम आ गया. क्या आ गया बेटा? ये 63.5 ग्राम. बट मैं तो इतनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास कर ही नहीं रहा. मैं कितनी कर रहा हूँ? 900 coulomb. कितनी कर रहा हूँ बेटा? 900 coulomb. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट फिर 900 coulomb कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, तो क्या आएगा? 1 coulomb से 63.5 into 2 into 96500. 1 coulomb इतना अमाउंट डिपॉजिट करेगा इन ग्राम्स, एंड 900 coulomb कितना करेगा फिर? 63.5 2 into 96500 into 900 into क्या बेटा? 900 into क्या? 900. ठीक है, ग्राम. इतनी अमाउंट क्या करेगा बेटा? डिपॉजिट करेगा. इतनी अमाउंट क्या करेगा बेटा? डिपॉजिट करेगा. ठीक है, होप ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. ठीक है, इजी क्वेश्चन है बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ आ गया होगा. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की बात करते हैं बेटा जी. ठीक है, इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज देयर? फैराडेज लॉ का थर्ड क्वेश्चन है जो अ करंट ऑफ 1 एम्पियर इज पास्ड फ्रॉम द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ chromium 3 sulfate. Chromium 3 sulfate. Calculate the time required in seconds. Calculate the time required in seconds. Calculate the time required in second which it requires to deposit 1 gram of chromium, 1 gram of chromium on cathode. एंड जो चीज़ आपको गिवन है दैट इज़ द मोलर मास ऑफ क्रोमियम, दैट इज़ 52 ग्राम. बेटा सोल्यूशन में से 1 एम्पियर करंट पास किया गया है. क्या पास किया गया है बेटा? 1 एम्पियर पास करंट किया गया है। सोल्यूशन किसका है? क्रोमियम 3 सल्फेट का है, यानी कि क्रोमियम के ऊपर 3 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है। सोल्यूशन में से करंट पास किया गया है एंड क्रोमियम के ऊपर 3 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है। कौन सा चार्ज है? 3 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है। कितने टाइम में 1 ग्राम क्रोमियम आपका डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा? कितने टाइम में 1 ग्राम जो है क्रोमियम आपका कैथोड के ऊपर डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा? तो अब देखो ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करते हैं, लगाते हैं कोई ना कोई आइडिया। चलो मेरे साथ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं। स्टेटमेंट का स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, दोबारा नहीं लिख सकता, लूज़ इसलिए लिख रहा हूँ ताकि समझने में कोई दिक्कत ना हो बेटा। अच्छे से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लेना, ठीक है। तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं, तो डाटा मेरे को ऑलमोस्ट याद ही है, कुछ है नहीं, 1 है, ठीक है। चलो, तो हाउ टू टैकल विद दिस क्वेश्चन। देखो बेटा जी, आपने करंट पास किया है 1 एम्पियर 1 ग्राम के लिए, छोड़ो एक बार, ठीक है। मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ, ठीक है, क्रोमियम 3 पॉजिटिव को क्रोमियम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, क्रोमियम 3 पॉजिटिव को क्रोमियम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, क्रोमियम 3 पॉजिटिव को क्रोमियम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 1 मोल कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिक्वायर हैं? कितने मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन रिक्वायर हैं? 3 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन रिक्वायर हैं। कितने मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन रिक्वायर हैं? 3 मोल इलेक्ट्रॉन रिक्वायर हैं। मीन्स 3 फैराडे चार्ज is required to deposit 1 mole of chromium on cathode। कैथोड पे अगर आपको क्रोमियम को डिपॉजिट करना है तो कितना चार्ज चाहिए बेटा? 3 फैराडे चार्ज चाहिए। कितना चार्ज चाहिए? 3 फैराडे चार्ज चाहिए, ठीक है। उल्टा भी तो लिख सकते हैं, 1 मोल is deposited by 1 mole is deposited by 3 Faraday charge। गेटिंग 1 मोल यानी कि क्रोमियम के कितना हो गया? 52 ग्राम ऑफ क्रोमियम इज डिपॉजिटेड बाय 3 Faraday charge। 52 gram of chromium is deposited by 3 Faraday charge, means 3 into 96500 coulomb charge। How much? 3 into 9650, 3 Faraday is equal to 36, ठीक है। तो 1 ग्राम, अब 1 ग्राम की बात आएगी, ठीक है, 1 ग्राम की बात आएगी। तो 3 फैराडे को 1 मोल को या 52 ग्राम को डिपॉजिट करने के लिए इतना चार्ज चाहिए। 1 ग्राम के लिए कितना आएगा? 3 into 96500 अपॉन 52 ग्राम। अपॉन में कितना आ गया बेटा? 52, ठीक है। तो इतना आपको क्या चाहिए बेटा? इतना आपको क्या चाहिए? चार्ज चाहिए। क्या चाहिए बेटा? चार्ज चाहिए। और इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो नियरली आ जाएगा 5567.3 कूलम्स। आपको इतना चार्ज चाहिए, ठीक है, 1 ग्राम को डिपॉजिट करने के लिए। लेकिन टाइम कितना लगेगा? ठीक है, चार्ज तो इतना चाहिए, अपन ने कैलकुलेट कर लिया 1 ग्राम को डिपॉजिट करने के लिए, ठीक है। हमें है कि टाइम कितना लगेगा ये भी तो बताओ, टाइम कितना लगेगा ये भी तो बताओ, वो भी हम अच्छे से जानते हैं। कैसे? Q इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू टी। Q इज इक्वल टू आई इंटू टी। Q क्या है? 55.6.3, ठीक है। दिस इज द अमाउंट ऑफ क्यू। आई 1 एम्पियर करंट पास कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। पहले अपन ने बात नहीं की, यहाँ करेंगे। टाइम हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, तो टाइम क्या है बेटा? 5567.3। अगर आप सोचो तो यूनिट कौन से आएंगे बेटा? ठीक है, तो ध्यान रखना यूनिट आएंगे सेकेंड आएंगे। क्या आएंगे बेटा? सेकेंड आएंगे। थैंक यू। ये है बेटा बेसिक फैराडेज लॉ ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स, सारे ही इसी बेस पे होते हैं। न्यूमेरिकल्स को ट्राई करना, कोई दिक्कत आई तो ज़रूर पूछना बेटा। थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।